They are a gold, but it's not flashy. It's kind of high quality, and also it's here. Jeshie Urs here again, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, so today's video is very special. It's from the brand of Sinbono. Yeah, so this kind of brand is a brand of the bag which is established in New York. It's an eco-friendly bag, vegan, cruelty free, and it's very high quality brand. And kind of bag is a trendy bag, and it's very cheap, and it's very affordable price also, and it's a high quality also. And I want to share with you guys. Actually, I received these items today, and sorry I cannot wait to open, but I want to open with you guys. So I'm totally really excited, and actually it's my very first time also to share with you. I saw in Instagram with almost influencer or vlogger, they share this story about this kind of bag, fashion, cheeks, and very stylish. I'm really curious, and I'm so excited also. It's my first time to have a collaboration from Sinbono. For you to know, this kind of bag is a vegan, cruelty free. It's 100% vegan, and also it's a high quality, and all the product they have is really cute. And yes, I really want to share with you here. This one is my first choice, and here I'm gonna share with you, in my opinion, they have a dash bag, and inside also have a paper cover, and they have a smell which is kind of very nice smell compared to the other smell, like so bad. But this kind of smell is like a perfume. I can see already here. Yes, here it's a dash bag from Sinbono, and yeah, oh my god, it's kind of shiny, really shine. Here the sign of Sinbono. It's a very high quality, the brand. We're writing here the Sinbono. Wow, it's very nice. It's very nice. Look at this. Here, and here's the metal. Actually, I need to open it here. Oh, I really like the smell. I don't know what kind of smell is this, but I'm addicted to the smell. Here the strap, yes, and here what inside. They have some paper actually. So here they have a 2 packet over here, and look at the material they have here. And by the way guys, this is really affordable brand, which is very cute. So this is also 100% vegan. If you have this one, I know for sure you will love it. First, I'm obsessed already with the smell. It's kind of addicted siya. And also they have also a magnet button. So as you can see here in the metal, it's really high quality. And also here, the metal one, and it's a gold plated. Yes, over here. It's kind of shine siya, as you can see in here. Actually, it's the finishing touch. You can see already like fashion. Here the strap. Wow. So here, just we push here. Wow. This kind of bag is very cute. Alright. I totally love this one. So actually guys, this kind of bag, they have a variety color. They have another color which is you can choose a green, purple, and another color. So if you want to know more about this kind, you can check on my description down below. And totally love the logo which is in here. Actually this kind of bag is very high class, and you can check also in their Instagram and their website. And this kind of very cheap, affordable, high quality, vegan, cruelty free. So it's a leather also. By the way guys, this kind of bag is a Drawstring Handbag. So you can choose another color if you like. Sinbono, I really love this kind of bag. I'm pretty sure guys, if you have this one, you don't regret. And as you know, this is a affordable brand, and it's really high quality. As you can see in here, it's not easy to damage, and I'm already addicted to the smell compared to the other brand or other bag, which is they have a smell which is not good for the nose or not good for our health, let's say. So this one is very chic bag. Yes, as you can see. So now let's try to another one. Here is the second one, and let's try to open. So actually this one here, as you can see, oh, purple. So nowadays I love kind of purple, kind of peach, kind of light green, kind of light pink. It's kind of pastel, you know. I love the pastel at this time, so that's why I choose the purple. So the Sinbono team, they asked me which color I want, so of course I choose this kind of color, as you can see in here. So this kind of bag is a Kace Crossbody Bag. You can check also their name in the description in the link where you can find here. There's another color also, so kind of moon size siya, as you can see. It's right, it's very nice. Here's the brand name, and believe me guys, the quality they have is really good. I have another 2 baby in my bag collection. Very cheap talaga siya, as you can see here. Okay, it's okay. So kind of they have a magnet over here, as you can see in here. Yeah. So now let's try. Oh, here's the strap. As you can see in here paper. So they have another pocket where you can put here. Oh my god, the smell again. I really love the smell. As you can see here, there's another pocket, and now we can put the strap. Okay, here's the strap. Okay. Here they write in Sinbono. Here the hook, they write in also SBN, means Sinbono. So here the strap. So this guys is a Kace Crossbody Bag. It's a purple color. This one is a Drawstring Handbag. And this one is a Kace Crossbody Bag. So as I told you guys, they have a variety color you can choose for, and it's really lovely. They have also another design, and I can't wait to share with you how it looks like for me. It's very trendy, it's very fashionable, it's very cheap. I really like the color also. And while this one is purple, since I love purple nowadays, and I don't know what happened to me, because normally my favorite color is black, and nowadays I love the color pastel, so I choose to have a purple also, since most of the bag I have is a brown, have pink, and I don't have a purple, don't have also black. So first time in my bag collection that I have a bag like this. And it's very cute, and I'm really excited to use this one. Also, this one I can't wait to share with you. Thank you, Sinbono. So don't forget guys to like, subscribe, and share. And also check my description down below. And you can check also the Instagram, and you can check also my promo code if you want to order. Here is a mystery box. It's because I'm not so sure what's inside. So as far as I know, I have 4 or 5 package na marireceive ko sana, but this time naka-receive lang ako ng 2. So from the other one is from Jeshieu, and this one also. So this one I'm not so sure kung ano ang laman inside, so that's why I'm saying is mystery box. So mystery unboxing siya. When I open this one, malalaman ko kung ito ba yung product na sponsored or binili ko siya. So let's try to open. Actually, I'm not so sure talaga, kasi in here walang nakasulat kung saan siya galing. And actually today, naka-receive ako ng text message na pwede mo siyang i-pick up na right away. So yun nga, pinick up ko siya ito. So I'm not so sure talaga kung ano ang laman. It's kind of box lang siya. So yes, yun nga, may parating talaga ako na 4 boxes pa or package, which is from the skincare, which is the sponsored, and also some bags, which is sponsored. So hindi ko talaga totally alam kung ano ang laman, pero ang nakikita ko naman talaga is here is box talaga, and wala ding nakalagay na kung saan siya galing. I got it! Wow! Now I know what in here. Nasilip ko na siya. And this is the new sponsored. Oh my god! What is this?
Okay, this one.
Hi Sinbono. I can't wait to share with you more, and please look forward for me and see you soon. Bye!